everybody, welcome back to our channel Programming School. In this video, I'll be discussing about a hackathon Brute Force 3.0 which is conducted in the Hackathon platform. I'll be showing you all the details regarding this hackathon, the eligibility criteria, prizes and the goodies that you will be getting. So do watch the video till end. Let's get started. It's completely an online challenge and it's a cybersecurity hackathon Brute Force 3.0 powered by Compatia, Get ID Certified and Offensive Security. Basically, this challenge will be started on March 13, 2021 at 6 p.m. and this will be ended on March 14, 2021 6 p.m. You can go through the overview of this challenge like you will be testing basically on reverse engineering techniques, binary exploitation, networking, stenography or forensics, and this CTF challenge will completely help you in raising your profile. What are the capture the flag competitions? To capture the flag competitions are nothing but you will be solving the problems using reverse engineering, memory corruption, cryptography, web technologies and many more. The more points, the more flags you clear and the more points the team earns, and it will raise your rank also. You can go through the capture the flag competitions in the description. I'll be providing you the link of this hackathon in the description box. Go through that and check with all those details. Basically, this is a 24 hours long challenge which will be started on 13th March as well as, and ended on 14th March 6 p.m. So the top 3 winners in this challenge will be given an certification vouchers from Compatia which will be worthing of $600. So you can go through this all. Registration is completely mandatory in order to participate in this challenge. You will be getting the examination link with your usernames as well as passwords via emails. This is the timeline, like the complete procedure of this challenge. Like firstly you need to register in the challenge and you need to attend Ask Me Anything webinar on 5th March, and then the CTF challenge starts on 13th March and it will be ended on 14th March and the results will be out on 19th March. So what you will be earning if you participate in this challenge, it will really improve your skills and the security domains, problem solving skills and some real world scenarios also. Top 100 participants will be receiving an e-certificate from the Hackathon which will be taking off 45 days to 60 days of time limit. Everyone participating in the CTF will receive a participation certificate with amazing prizes and goodies. So when coming to the evaluation parameters, like how the challenge is going to be evaluated, how the prizes at the top 3 winners are going to be classified, you can go through the evaluation parameter. Like every question is given with some allotted marks and the score will be allocated based on the way you solve the questions. Plagiarism checking is there and it also leads to the negative marking. So in order to participate in this challenge, there are some prerequisites that you need to set up in your desktops or PCs, like Kali Linux operating system, virtual machine and Windows operating system XP or higher version virtual systems, and with a good internet connection. You can go through, you can refer this document for more details like what when coming to the format and the process. Like the registrations will be closed on 11th March 2020 12 p.m. You will be getting a link of your examination in order to participate in this challenge. Like as I already said, each question is allocated with different kinds of marks, as well as the participants who are scoring minimum maximum marks will be rewarded prizes. And there is also a plagiarism check which will be leading you to the negative marking also. If you want to go through some resource center section, you can go through some of the resource center sections. You can join our Telegram channel. And these are the theme like capture the flag. You can go through the theme also. Like capture the flag is a special information security competition. It comprises of a series of challenges in which vary in the degree of difficulty and require participants to exercise different skill sets to solve. Like based on the ways you solve, the difficulty of the problem solving will also be increased. So go through the theme of this capture the flag. And when coming to the prizes, as I already discussed you, the main prizes are 1, 2, 3 prizes. where the first prize will be consists of some USD $600 with official e-learning virtual lab as well as the exam voucher, and the second prize is of $400 with offline official e-learning as well as the virtual lab, and the third prize is $400 which will be given official e-learning as well as the virtual lab, and 4, 5, 6 prizes will be given an Amazon gift voucher which worth of $25 from the Hackathon platform. So I'll be mentioning you this link in the description box. You can go through the link, you can check out the themes as well as the prizes, and all the participants and FAQs in the website given below in the description. So watch this website and do register immediately. Thank you.